If you want to become a mechanic or automotive service technician in Canada in 2026, here is the real path. Whether you grew up here or you arrived with experience from another country, this is how to start, get licensed, and build a solid career in the automotive trade. Chapter 1. Starting from zero in Canada. Maybe you're in high school right now, or maybe you're switching careers. In Canada, the most common path to becoming a mechanic is apprenticeship. That means finish high school or earn a GED, get hired by a shop or dealership as an apprentice. Register with your province's trades authority, complete 3 levels of trade school. Log about 6,500 hours of hands-on training, pass the Red Seal exam. You learn on the job, you get paid, and every year you gain more skill and more confidence. Apprentice pay usually starts around $18 to $25 an hour, and once you're licensed, you can earn $32 to $50 an hour or more. EV and hybrid skills pay even higher. This is a trade where skills matter and you grow by doing real work. Chapter 2. The Newcomer Path. Now maybe your story is different. Maybe you arrived in Canada with a grade 12 certificate or bachelor degree, or you already worked as a mechanic overseas. You have skills, but you discover something surprising. Canada does not automatically accept foreign mechanic licenses. That can feel discouraging, but you are not starting over. You are upgrading to Canadian standards if you have mechanic experience back home. Here is your route. Gather proof of your experience, letters, pay stubs, job duties, hours. Apply to challenge the Red Seal exam through your province. If approved, go straight to the exam without doing the full apprenticeship. If you don't have enough proof, you can still register as an apprentice and complete training faster than someone with no background. Some newcomers start in dealerships, tire shops, or general repair shops while they build Canadian experience. Optional but useful, get your education evaluated through WES or ICAS. It helps for job applications and immigration files, not for the mechanic license itself. Many foreign-trained techs pass the exam quickly because they already know engines, diagnostics, and tools. What they need most is Canadian-specific knowledge, like emissions systems, safety laws, and EV hybrid platforms. Chapter 3. The Future of the Trade. Whether you grew up in Toronto, Vancouver, Halifax, or you came from abroad with a dream, the automotive industry in Canada is changing fast. Hybrids, EVs, ADS calibration, this is not just wrenches and oil changes anymore. Today's best techs also know diagnostics, electronics, scan tools, software, and networks. If you stay curious and keep learning, you will never be out of work. So here's the journey in one line. 1. High school or foreign skills. 2. Apprenticeship or exam challenge. 3. Hours in training. 4. Red Seal. 5. Licensed technician. If you like solving problems, working with your hands, and staying ahead of new automotive technology, this trade can give you stability, growth, and pride in your craft. Your background does not limit you. Your dedication builds your future. Like the video, subscribe for more Canadian automotive guidance, and share this with someone who wants to build their future here. You got this.